I've come to a decision. Sorry for the misinterpretation or not quite clarification. So here I'll say it. I'll teach filmmaking. No more sculpting, no more modeling, no more shading, just pure filmmaking. The camera works, the lighting, of course. The materials will come from our models, what that we're gonna get from Blender Kit and other sources like Sketchpub, Maximo, the animations here, Heaven, the HDRI, GC3, the models, and many more. And also that's that. The camera works, the rendering, I guess, the film editing, of course, the sound effects, and the poster making and the trailer making. The sound effects is included by the voice, the background, and some sound effects, of course, like the footstep sound. Um, Also the shape keys. I I will not teach the shape keys. I'll straight forward to the storytelling of the film, the filmmaking itself. No more um no more no more other tutorials, but filmmaking only. So here we're gonna download Blender Kit from blenderkit.com. Download, then let's go to our Blender. Okay, delete all of this, of course, that's the number one rule. And then on our preferences on edit, let's get extensions, install from disk. Then we're gonna go to the from where we downloaded the Blender Kit, then always choose that zip file and install Blender Kit. Then on add-ons, okay, it already checks, so close that and to open the menu here. So just turn on this. So here we're gonna search filters. That's free first, of course. Okay, so in here we're just gonna drag some models, some objects from Blender Kit, and also it's already had shaders on it, in it, like this, like that. And some of these we're gonna use what we need for our filmmaking tutorial. That. And also you can add some that and some HDRI for our skies and some outdoors. So let's use this, just drag in it, and you can choose your resolution. We're just gonna use 1000k, 1k, and you cannot see it, but from our shader rendered. Okay, it's too big. And also you can edit it on shader editor by going to the world shader type. So you can rotate it, scale it, whatever you want. You can edit it, of course, always. So we have scenes, materials. We have also materials. We have so many categories in here. Concrete. Let's add some plain. Then you can just drag your material on your object, and it will just okay. So that's that. It already applied. So that's not what I'm going to teach, but of course I'll teach the things that, for example, where to put something, where to put this so that it will be cinematic on our camera works. So for our next video, our next tutorial, I'm gonna teach some camera works. Our next segment is camera works.